Well, I think all of us have been on the same roller coaster over the last few years. We saw great numbers right before COVID and then a lot of refis during the pandemic as well. So, yes, it was a challenging time for the country. However, in terms of mortgage economics, it was a great time. We were able to help a lot of people.
The mortgage industry kind of works in opposition of the economy. When we are kind of either heading into or in a recession, our organizations typically tend to do quite well.
So coming from that high, from all of that refi business down to the valley that we're currently in, it just made it seem that much worse.
Everybody knows that we have a lot of folks suffering from higher debt. And so what we've been doing is trying to work with borrowers to determine whether or not a refinance, even if their rate is higher than what they had received during the COVID times, could benefit them financially.
So for us, a big focus is on efficiency and scalability.
So we're always looking for a way to streamline, to cut out some red tape.
So we really are using AI as a thought partner as we're thinking through how do we create content that engages or wins over new business.
Birdeye also has integrations with our loan origination system too. So we're automating surveys that we send out to our customers and the request for review, and that's all based on data points in the loan process.
We love that it can leave the review directly on the platform rather than going through an intermediary, and it just boosts SEO and it's much more credible. Automation's been around for a while. A lot of people really understand it well. It's almost table stakes in terms of a marketing team and marketing setup, right? AI is a little bit newer in terms of generative AI and allowing a machine to do something that typically requires a human touch.
It just gives our loan officers and our people time to do those personal touches and make personal connections.
AI is going to completely transform the way we work. People who use AI and companies and teams that embrace AI tools and take the time to approach it the right way, they are going to replace those companies, those professionals, and those teams who do not embrace AI.
The right companies are, of course, going to have the right technology. You have to be truly committed to understanding your product, your process, and your borrower. If you're not truly doing that, you're going to struggle.